Welcome to Booqable. In this video, you will learn how to use Booqable's packing slips to help you and your team prepare and fulfill orders ready for pickup. In any order in your Booqable account that you create or receive, you will have the option to generate an automatically pre-filled packing slip. This contains the customer's information, the order information, including a list of products, and the stock item number or barcode that you've assigned to go out with this order. The document also contains its own scannable barcode to bring up the correct order on either your mobile or desktop device. This can be printed out or downloaded directly from this page when you're preparing an order and handed over to the staff member who you would like to prepare or pack this order. To save time, you can generate all your packing slips for the day at once from the order screen. In the order screen in Booqable, use the filters to display only the orders scheduled for that day. Click the checkbox to bulk select all the relevant orders, click Actions and click Download Packing Slips. From the PDF generated, which you can see from the Background Tasks page, you can click the download link and print out this PDF. You can distribute the specific packing slips that each staff member in your team should be responsible for at the start of the day. This is a great way to prepare your orders for pickup. You will also have the option to customize your packing slips with additional information through custom fields. This is particularly useful for including the product's warehouse shelf location on the packing slip so that your staff know exactly where to find each product to speed up packing time. In the custom fields page in your Booqable settings, you can start by making sure all of your order fields that will appear on your back-end orders and your online checkout will be displayed on your packing slips. Don't worry about doing this for your customer fields, as this is set up automatically. If you'd like to add any product information fields to store your product's warehouse or storage information, for example, you can click to add a new product field. Give it a custom field label such as warehouse location or storage information. Select your data type and make sure that the packing slip toggle is switched on. Now, it's your job to go into the inventory page, select a product, hit the settings panel, and fill out the custom field that will appear there with this product's warehouse location, for example. You will have to repeat this for all of your products and make sure you hit save every time. Now, if you click into an order, you can open the packing slip and see that each product's storage information that you've recorded in the custom field is displayed on the packing slip. Now, when you hand over this packing slip to your staff member or go to pack it yourself, you'll save time by knowing exactly where each product is stored in your storage or warehouse. And you're all set. You have now learned how to use Booqable's printable and downloadable packing slips to help you and your team prepare for your orders for pickup.